Ever wondered how to break down complex problems step by step, just like solving a puzzle? Imagine having a secret method that helps you and others tackle tough questions with ease. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into chain of thought prompting. Stay with us till the end, and you'll gain a powerful new problem-solving tool. Picture a teacher helping students with a tough math problem. Instead of giving the answer, the teacher guides them through smaller questions, leading them step by step to the solution. That's chain of thought prompting. Chain of thought prompting is breaking down a complex problem into a sequence of simpler steps. By guiding someone through these steps, you help them build a clear path to the solution. Think of it like a chain, where each link is a thought or step. Linked together, they form a strong chain of reasoning. Chain of thought prompting is used in business meetings, scientific research, and everyday decision-making. The possibilities are endless. Stay tuned. In a moment, we'll show you a step-by-step example of using chain of thought prompting in daily life, plus tips to master this technique. Planning a project. Start with, what is the main goal? Next, what are the key tasks? What resources do I need? And so on. Following these prompts clarifies your thoughts and makes the project manageable. If you found this helpful, like and share this video. For more problem-solving techniques, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching. Use your new chain of thought prompting skills and start solving problems today. See you in the next video. Remember, every big problem can be solved one small step at a time. Happy problem solving!